50 important artifacts from the times of pharaohs have been recently handed over to Egypt. And Archaeological Paths was there to make it all happen. In May of 2021, Ehib Ahmed Abdelmalik, who is an Egyptology lover and historical researcher, approached Archaeological Paths Travel Company, which organizes exclusive tours to Egypt and sponsors archaeological research, excavations, and restoration works across the country, with information that he had found a collection of ancient objects in his father's house.
I've been interested so much in the ancient Egyptian civilization. Maybe by search, I found that I've been receiving ads from the Archaeological Paths. So I decided to call them by phone.
We received a telephone call from Ehab, and he told me that he owns several original artifacts from the pharaonic era. We took his call very seriously, as we always do in such cases, and contacted Egyptian authorities to check if indeed the artifacts he mentioned were authentic, and to begin the handover process to the Ministry of Antiquities.
I found a phone call from the Archaeological Paths in Cairo, and they directed me to the ministry. I found they established a whole committee, and we spent the whole day. They took the pieces, they inspected, they examined it. They decided the pieces are 100% original, and we moved in a convoy, a secure convoy, from the Ministry of Antiquities to the Egyptian Museum to hand over.
Fortunately, all the artifacts were safely returned to the Ministry of Antiquities in Egypt, where they were examined further.
Archaeological Paths, of course, they helped me. They helped me so much. I couldn't do anything.
Like every good story, this also carries a message, especially for those who may have found similar objects.
Maybe you feel that it's a challenge. Trust me, there is no chance to have it for money. You better have it as a heritage for your kids, your children, your upcoming generation, to be something to be proud of. Just you show your friends, show everybody. These artifacts I give away to my government, to the museum, and we can visit it every time you decide, and we have to be proud of it. This is something eternal.
Archaeological Paths will continue to support the Egyptian heritage. The future of Egyptology is full of even more fascinating discoveries, and our tour guests will be part of them. Don't miss a chance to unveil Egypt's secrets on exclusive tours with behind-the-scenes access to sites off-limits to the general public. Experiences typically reserved for VIPs are now within your reach.
You will have unique experience. You will have totally unique experience, because what I'm witnessing from the content and that stuff, no, they are having something really exclusive, and I think they are running researches to give a different, unique content to its clients.
Join Archaeological Paths to make your experience of Egypt extraordinary. Visit www.archaeologicalpaths.com.